Right, so episode 2 back at Village Bridal. We removed the swarm out of the wall. I removed it from this side. So 2 days later she's had one go in the other side. So we're going to have them out as well. AJ's helping me today.
Yeah.
We're going to drop them into this poly nuke. We've got some spray as well to spray in the cavity after. Hopefully try stopping them going in there again, but we'll probably remove this one and they'll probably get another one straight in another bit.
Yeah.
There's a supply of calm bees. We'll see how calm these ones are. So I took the bees out of here, about there, and now they've gone in there, which there's your down beam and that's your next cavity along. Where there was an old hive there anyway. So we'll take this one off first. That one looks still nailed, so perhaps we might not have to take that one off. We'll go this one, and down. We'll take one off at the top above it, so if they run up we can chase them back down. Let's do this for a second time.
Yeah, looks it, yeah.
So there is another swarm coming. Looks fresh. They've got a bit of fresh comb here. You can see the old, where an old bee colony's been, and that's where I did the cut out of the other one. So we'll take these 3 boards off, which will give us access to drop them in again. So it's just a tiny, probably a tiny cast swarm. Could even probably be virgin queen. But we'll get them gone. Whether we see the queen or not, that's a different thing. Open and then puff it with the lid open for a bit.
Yeah.
Right, so we've got the comb they had in the box, and I've scooped a load of bees in the box, just seeing where they cluster, see if I can find the queen. They've got a queen because I could see brood. Oh, there's a lot of old comb down here.
But you know the queen's mate.
Yeah, because there's brood. Is it fresh eggs? Just spotting where she is. They're all fanning back to there. Is it going?
I think so. Yeah.
Right, let's put that down there for a minute. Put it on with a queen excluder. Turn it around that way. Is that going now?
Yeah.
They've ran down.
Try and hide.
There's loads of old comb down there, look.
Oh yeah.
It's the old nest dropped down in the wall. There's a big cluster down there, so the queen might have ran down there.
Down there, yeah.
Just wait, the little bugger's back up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, here they all come. Run them back up, you see.
That's good, really. It's proper control.
See what them ones are doing. They all get their asses in here. See a little white gland hanging at their ass?
Yeah. I see, yeah. Their asses, yeah.
Is it all coming back up? Notice it's not going up where I sprayed that stuff.
Yeah. See, it
Spray all that stuff around there.
Yeah. In here, yeah, both these.
Yeah. Yeah, look, that ran them back up.
So yeah, they don't want to touch this stuff, do they?
See, the old comb is all down the bottom there, look. Like old bait. The bees are running up and down. They're a bit. Queen might possibly down here. We've just got a bundle there.
Starting to go at the top there.
Yeah, but there'll be field bees.
Yeah.
Right, give me that spray a minute. Hold that second. See how effective it is.
Yeah.
See if it builds a barrier to stop them going back down. Sorry, just pepper sprayed you. Right, so we'll scoop some in into the box with these. See what happens this time.
Let's grab the box.
Alright, give the smoker first.
Yep.
So I think we bagged the queen because now they're all running to the box. Well, I reckon they are. Yeah, they are. Well, they're running below the box. Now they're running in the box. We've got the march of the bees. So we've got the queen in the box, hopefully. Could even smoke under there later. Like down here. So it goes up. That'll do you. See, the ones at the top though are still fanning like Stacey's up there.
Yeah.
And then these ones are running down into the box. Give it a load of smoke under the clear again. I'll try and push it right tight.
Bit more.
I think we got her. She'll be a bit faster. If she's a young queen, there's like, could even perhaps fly.
Yeah.
They seem to be running down to the box and fanning towards the box.
Yeah,
So I think we might have her in the tub.
That's what I mean, there's not.
So I think we got her in the box. We'll just let them all run in there. When there's very few left, put the box down on the floor and the lid on it, and then they'll start fanning at the doorway. And then all these ones up here, hopefully will get the message and come back down. The spray seemed to work. The bees didn't want to go up there. So we'll dose it. Once we get these ones out, we'll dose it all with a load of that. We'll clean all this wax off. Get all that wax down there. We'll dose it all with a dose of that.
Yeah.
It seemed to contain them, didn't it, into that eave. They're fanning towards the box, so wait for these last few to run in. So it's another bee catch next door to the other bee catch. They'll probably be in there next. Well, I noticed there had been comb up in there. So I'm just removing some really old comb. It's had poison in it, but it would be good to melt down. So this one here was all of this bit, and it seems whoever come only took that much of the comb out, and the rest of the comb is all down there still attached. So there's still a complete lot of comb of beehive there, which seems to go all the way down as far as this cavity goes, which I'm guessing is to the floor. But I think the queen must be in the box because the bees are fanning to the box. Yeah, stick that in all in the bag open. Them ones are flyers. We'll smoke them all off, spray it all up. I'll clean all this out. Hopefully they won't come back. Oh no, I think it just goes to there. I don't know, it looks like it goes all the way down to the floor.
Yeah.
So we just put some spray in to like repel the bees from nesting, and that they seem not to want to land on it now, so it seems quite effective. It was a bit of a homemade recipe. You can see where someone's poisoned one before. We've just cleaned all the comb out of there, but that is dead bees to the floor now. I can't get my arm down no further, and I didn't want to get all the poison on me because I don't want to die. But we reckon we got the queen because the bees are hidden in the box like they're good little girls. So we'll put it back together, and then in a couple of days we'll probably come and remove another.
Hopefully it's spray works.
So I'm just coming back to get these things. Hopefully they're all in the box. Yeah, I can see them all at the top there. See a good cluster up there. So hopefully we got them. They're clean.